Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to watch Crunchyroll offline. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Crunchyroll application on my phone and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're gonna find 5 sections: home, my lists, browse, simulcasts, and account. So in the home section, you're gonna find some suggested animes. If you go to my list, you're gonna find some saved animes, for example, the watch list, Crunchy list, history, and offline. If you go to browse, from here, you're gonna find the list that includes all of the animes, and you can browse for any anime that you like. And right here in simulcast, you're gonna find some simulcast season animes. And lastly, account settings. So basically guys, in order to watch Crunchyroll offline, go to any anime that you're watching right now. For example, I'm gonna click on this one and then I'm gonna go to episodes, wait for the episodes to load, and then once the episode has loaded, you're gonna find a little download icon. Go ahead and click on it, and then the episode will be downloaded and you're gonna find it in my list. Go to my list and then go to offline. Once you go to offline, you're gonna find all of your downloaded episodes right here. But basically guys, in order to be able to watch Crunchyroll offline, you need to have premium subscription first. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.